Hey, Kyla, this is Miss Hicks. I'm going to try to record the steps that I go through when I am going to Canvas, or one way that you can get there. I'm on my desktop right now, and I'm going to click on Chrome so I can go to the internet, and I'm just going to go to emsisd.com. Okay, so I'm just going to the district's website, okay? And you should see several little tabs up here. If you'll click on the one that says students, okay, there's several quick links down here, and the one that gets you straight to Canvas is this one right here. It says Canvas login, and then you put in your username and password. I hope that's not the problem for you, so you should be able to put in your username and password, and then it should take you to your dashboard. Okay, so let me know if those steps don't work, and we'll try something else. Okay.